Hi, welcome to online practice lesson about mechanical comprehension lesson 6. So here a first problem will be a factory produces 500 units of a product per day. If 3 workers are assigned to the task, how many units will be produced in 7 days? So here 500 times 7 equals to 3500 product will be produced within 7 days. So now come to another problem. 5 years ago, John was 3 times as old as his brother. If John's present age is 25, how old is his brother now? So consider the John's brother age will be X, and present time the John's age will be 25. So 5 years ago, John's brother age will be X minus 5, and John's age will be 25. So John's age will be 25 minus 5 equals to 20. So here 20. So now we need to set up the equation like this way. The 20 equals to 5 years ago. The John's age is 20 equals to X minus 5 is John's brother age, which is 3 times less than John's age. So here we need to multiply with the John's brother age with 3. So now it's equal. So here from we will get the value of X. The 20 equals to 3 times X minus 3 times 5 equals to 15. So here 3X equals to 20 plus 15. So here X equals to 35 over 3. It's 11.66. So here we can consider it 12. So now come to another problem. This is our next problem. A car traveled 120 miles in 2 hours. So it's 120 over 2 equals to 60 miles per hour. So here the car, how long will it take the car to travel 180 miles at the same speed? So at the same speed, 180 miles over 60 equals to 3. It's the 3 hours is required to cross for the same speed to cross the 180 miles. Now come to another problem is here. A mechanic has a mixture of 40 liters of 2 types of oil. One oil cost is $4 per liter and the other oil cost is $6 per liter. If the mixture cost $5 per liter, how many liters of each oil are in the mixture? So here 40 liters. So first consider the first one type of oil mixture is X and another will be 40 minus X. So here we need to set up the equation like this way. The X times $4 plus 40 minus X times 6 equals to the mixtured oil price is $5. It's 40 times $5. Now we need to find out the value of X. So here 4X plus 40 times 6 equals to 240. So here minus 6X equals to 40 times 5 equals to 40 times 5. So it's a 200, and now we will get here it's a positive 4X and negative minus 6X. So we will get 240 minus 2X equals to 200, and here the 200 will come here and 2X will goes there. So here we will get 2X equals to 240 minus 200 equals to 40. So here X equals to 20 liter. So the how many liters of each oil? So the first oil will mix 20 liter and it's a 40 minus X equals to 40 minus 20 equals to 20 liters. So another form of oil also 20 liter. So now come to another problem is here. A store offers 25% discount on a shirt that cost $80. So here for the $100 after the discount is 25. So the real price is $75 after the discount. So here $100, the actual price after the discount, the actual price is $75. So it's a 75 times 80 over 100. Now it's a 8 and it's a 10, it's a 2, and 5 will go over 75. It's 15 times, and 15 times 8 equals to 120 over 2 equals to $60. The $60 will be the price after the 25% discount with the actual price of $80. Now come to another problem is here. If you invest $500 at an annual interest rate of 6% for 2 years, how much interest will you earn? So it's a 6% for 2 years. So 6% for 2 years, so we will earn like 6 times 5 equals to $30. So $30 we will earn for 2 years with the 6% interest. It's annual interest, sorry, it's annual interest. So for 2 years we will earn $60. Now come to another problem is here. The ratio of the number for 2 boys and girls in a classroom is 5 to 3. If there are 40 boys, how many girls are there? So it's a girls number is x. So x over 40 equals to 5. Sorry, it's a mistake. We need to solve the issue is here like this way. So it's a boys number. So first consider boys number is 40 over x. X is a girls number, and here the ratio is boys and girls is 5 to 3. So now we will find out the value of x. So here we will get 5x equals to 40. So 5x equals to 40 times 3 equals to 120. So now we will get x equals to 120 over 5 is 24. So the number of girls is 24. Now come to another problem is here. So a store buys a book for $12 and sell it for $18. What is the profit percentage? So here $12. So 18 minus 12 equals to $6 is the profit. So $12 books profit will be $6, and it's a 6 times 100 over 12. So it's a 600 and it's 12. Now we will get like 12 is go over 60, it's 5 times. So it's a 50% profit. The books are done, and if it takes 5 workers 12 hours to complete the job, how many hours will it take for 10 workers to complete the same job? It's a 12 hours. So 12 over 2 equals to 6 hours. 6 hours is required for the 10 workers. Now if 8 workers complete a task 6 hours, in 6 hours how many hours will it take 12 workers take to complete the same task? So here 8 times 6 equals to 12 times x. So x equals to 8 times 6, it's 48 over 12 equals to 4 hours. 4 hours is required for 12 workers. So thanks for watching this tutorial. So hope these types of problem will be helpful for you. There is some tricky problems or easy problem I have shown here. Hope this will be better for your ASVAB, ASTB or any types of competitive questions. So that's why I'm trying to solve it properly and regularly. So goodbye for now, and see you again for the next tutoring.